Hello lovelies, you're welcome to the delicious kitchen. Guys, I'm sharing my favorite swallow with you. This is a special request from a great fan of mine. Yes, I'm showing you the simple way to prepare this swallow and you are going to love it. So what you need is your boiled water. It has to be well boiled, okay? When it is boiled, take it off the cooker and get your spatula, of course, and get your Garri. Now it's time for you to be adding Garri into it. Please don't pour your Garri at once into it. Be adding it little by little, and as you add, you keep stirring. Stir as fast as you can. It has to be free from any lump, okay? Just keep mixing this way, and as you add Garri, keep mixing. Immediately you feel it now looks like pudding. You can see this looks like pudding already, and it's now time to stop adding Garri into it. You only need to mix it well now. The more you mix, the more it's hardened up. So you can see, and when you mix well at this stage, you can see how it is. Now cover it and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, guys, this is what you're going to have. You can see it's not more like pudding, it's not more water, it's not watery, it's not too hard, and all those Garris have absorbed all the liquid inside. You can see now. So if you are okay with it, then you can serve it at this stage. But for me, it is still a little bit hard. I love my eba not to be too hard, not to be too soft, so I always keep some hot water aside. Now I've added some hot water into it, just a bit. You can still add more later, okay? And when you add water, first of all, mix it gently together like this, and when you mix it like this down, you keep turning. You can see you keep turning, you mix and turn, you keep mix and turn. And when you do it this way, the way the eba will come out, you will even be asking yourself, is the amala I'm making, am I making pounded yam? Because the texture will be so super, it will be perfect. I'm telling you, it will be perfect that you won't even know the difference from amala or eba. If you touch it, it will not be hard, it will not be too soft, it will just be perfect. So guys, at this stage, it's now time to portion it, okay? Be fast to portion it, don't let it get cold. So when you portion it well like this, you can wrap it with your blanket, okay? Wrap it with your blanket, or you keep it in your cooler just to keep the hotness till when it is ready to be served, okay? Now you can see, now it's now time to serve. Eba is so simple. You can eat this with okra soup, you can serve this with ewedu soup, with ogbono, with egusi. You can see what I'm serving my with. I'm rocking this with egusi and fresh fish stew. So that is it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, remember to share. So my lovely fan that requested for this video, I hope you like it. Stay blessed. See you all next time. Bye bye.